Hi everyone, I am Professor Ravindrababu Ravula, and today we are going to discuss about what you should be doing during the last 7 days of the exam. So you have exactly 7 days from today. What are the things that you should take care? So I have with me Hari, so who is a GATE first ranker. We will learn from him about what he did in the last 7 days of preparation. Hi Hari.
Hi, Ravi.
So Hari, what are the most important things that students should focus on now in the last 7 days?
In this last 7 days, you just need to get your sleep cycle right and eat right, so that you don't have any surprises on the exam day. Also, you need to, if you have any low hanging fruit, like any one or two topics which you seem to forget, or which are good to learn about, you learn about, but nothing new. Don't start anything new. And also do one or two grand tests, so that you will get the timing and all that right. But don't focus on the scores so much.
Okay.
This is not the time to learn anything new as such.
Okay. So Hari, your point is a valid point, like having sleep properly. See, generally people who are studying full time for GATE, who are droppers, what they do is they have a habit of studying in the night and waking up very late, like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. They sleep at 4 o'clock and then they wake up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Now, if their GATE slot is at 10 o'clock, that will be a big problem. So, I
Yes.
would suggest everyone who are sleeping late and waking up late to just adjust this cycle, this sleep cycle, so that you'll sleep early and wake up early. It is easy to say, but then it is very difficult to follow because it is not like you just do like this and fall asleep, right? So if your habit is sleeping late, it will be very very difficult to sleep early, but at least for this 1 year practice that, so that you will be fresh on the exam day. And Hari is saying that don't learn anything new, but if there is any low hanging fruit, just grab it. So what it means is, um, let us say you have not done a paging of OS. You have not done that. Let us say you have not done anything in OS. You left it out completely, right? Then paging is a very easy topic, and which compared to synchronization, paging is very scoring. So you can just put in some 3-4 hours of your time and learn paging, right? And what about revision, Hari? How frequent?
So yeah, if you already have any short notes, start reading them. If you don't have any notes, then don't. Then this is not the time to start preparing for notes.
Okay.
It'll only make it more chaotic. So you just prepare the notes that you already have.
For
And
GATE 2026 people, we are providing long notes and short notes, but for GATE 2025, we didn't provide any short notes. Okay, so you might have already made it, use it. If you have not made it, follow your long notes. So, Hari, how many times do you think they should revise?
so at least once or twice in this 7 days, as long as the entire subject remains fresh in their memory. It's
So, there are 11 subjects,
yeah. So
7 days. How do you
yeah,
suggest?
so not every subject will require a revision or even multiple revisions, but some will require more than others. So it's just about your comfort level. If you have anything which you're not comfortable with, you revise it more. If you don't know one subject at all, then don't read at all. Just leave that whole thing as it is.
So, can people go without by leaving the subjects? Acha, I have one more question. Is GATE live? So,
Oh yeah, so I get asked this a lot actually. Gate is not life. If it messes up in gate, then you have many more options other than gate. And every good private university has their own entrance, and also you can also get um, into the industry. There are so many avenues are open. And gate is not life, and if you top gate, it doesn't mean that life is done for you either. It comes in both ways. So yeah, so there's a lot more to life than just gate or
so Hari is
one
saying
exam.
that uh, don't think that GATE is life, and don't think that your life is spoiled if you don't crack GATE. There are many more options. There are many private universities. IIIT Hyderabad is there. There are many universities, which means with your knowledge, you can write many exams, and you can get into MTech somehow. So don't think that GATE is life. Okay, even if you mess it up, or even if you are left some subjects, still go with a mindset that this is not life. You can get into industry by doing DSA, or you can get into startups, or you can get into private universities. So there are a lot of options. So don't go to GATE with a mindset that GATE is life. Okay,
Yeah.
so anything else you want to add, Hari?
That's it. All the best. You have 7 days. Make the most of it. Yeah, and all the best for your exam and the rest of your career.
All the best, guys. All the best. Okay, I hope that you get a very good rank and you will do your best in life. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, if you want to take my GATE classes, we go to the website ravindrababuravula.in and you are going to see all my GATE classes available there. Okay. So coming to the classes, they are all recorded. Why am I doing recorded? Why am I not doing live classes? Is I have thousands of students registering for my courses every year. But then if I conduct a live class, only 20 or 30 people will be there. 20 or 30, that's it. Maximum is 40 I had. The reason is live classes are little bit wasting your time. See, you cannot watch a live class at 2x speed. You have to watch at the pace at which I teach. Generally, I will be very, very slow while teaching. So if you can go through the live classes, you can watch them at 2x speed and you can complete the syllabus very fast. 400 plus hours content is there for GATE. And if you are going to watch them at normal pace, it will take 400 hours. But if you watch it at 2x speed, it will take just 200 hours, right? So if you want any of my GATE classes, GATE Computer Science or GATE DA, the price is just 10,000 rupees. It is very, very reasonable for the kind of quality we provide. We have test series, we have doubt sessions, we have videos, we have lecture notes. For everything, even you don't have to write any lecture notes. I will provide you lecture notes for every subject. You just have to sit back, watch the videos at 2x speed and revise the notes. Short notes will be provided, long notes will be provided, formulas will be written in the separate notes. Everything will be there provided to you. You don't have to work hard. And coming to, if you are planning to go abroad, we also have study abroad program. You can go through my number. My number is on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the website. If you are planning to do masters abroad, that is a very good choice. It is better than doing masters in India. So if you are planning to go abroad, we will help you out right from taking the passport to getting the visa, US visa, right? So we will help you out in the entire process. Okay. So do visit the website, see what is happening there. Even DSA course is there for 5,000 rupees, which is both in Python and C++. Okay. So thank you so much.